Even Blair loves my gua sha. Use a gua sha after applying. You can shop the cutest gua sha in India from seekskincare.com. Hi, this is Shraddha Lal, the founder of Seek Skincare, and today we're going to answer a few frequently asked questions for my gua sha because it's one of the best selling products right now. So let's get to it. Gua sha is a skincare tool which is used to massage your face to increase the blood circulation and relieve the stress of your facial muscles. Gua sha is one of the most inexpensive way you can incorporate a youthful and a glowing skin without having to get to any surgeries in the future if you use it regularly. You can use gua sha both in your AM and your PM routine. How I like to use it is when I wake up in the morning with a swollen face, I use organic facial oil and I massage the oil on my face with the gua sha. That's an instant relief. And post that, I cleanse the face thoroughly with Seek Foaming Face Wash. How I like to use the gua sha in my PM routine is after I'm done with my skincare, I use the gua sha so that the products really sink into my skin for the night and I feel really rejuvenated when I wake up. So if you want to check how to use gua sha for the beginner's guide, you can check the link in the description below. Gua sha can be found in various materials like jade and stainless steel or rose quartz, but I chose rose quartz because rose quartz crystal is used to ignite the self-love and self-compassion, and having a skincare tool that's made out of a crystal like rose quartz will help you love yourself more and increase your self-love vibration. We are really proud to say that our gua sha is made out of 100% real rose quartz crystal. We have our certification from our manufacturers, and the certificate should be anywhere here wherever my designer puts it. If you use gua sha on a regular basis, you're going to see a lot of benefits on your skin. That is the most inexpensive way you can actually have the youthful glowing skin that you want. Using gua sha will improve your lymphatic drainage. Gua sha will help your blood circulation. That will lead to a glowing skin. Gua sha will also help you sculpt your face to a more refined look. So with my experience, gua sha has actually given me a little refined jawline. I did not have that before, so using it more regularly is going to help me more. There are multiple benefits if you keep using gua sha on a regular basis. Gua sha also helps you relieve the stress on your facial muscles, which makes you more rejuvenated and more energetic in your daily life and gives you better sleep and lifestyle. Ideally, I would not recommend you to keep the gua sha in the refrigerator throughout. 10 minutes before the application is really good for cooling down the crystal for a very nice massage experience with the gua sha. Because if you keep the gua sha in the fridge throughout, it's very fragile because it's made out of rose quartz, so it might lead to breakage. When I was ideating and brainstorming on my packaging for gua sha, I knew that I need to have like a heart-shaped crystal, rose quartz crystal for my gua sha because one, this really has these corners that helps you sculpt your face like how you want it to be. Two, because it's one of the most cutest shade that I've ever seen and I really was looking forward to having something online for this. I could not find something like this online. No, you should never use gua sha on a dry face because that will lead to a very harsh friction on the skin. Use a facial oil or very hydrating cream on your face as an application before using gua sha so that it glides easily onto your skin and does not leave any mark or redness. Seek Rose Quartz Gua Sha comes in a packaging like this. So to maintain this, it's a very fragile tool. You have to be really careful when you're using the gua sha. Take the gua sha out of the pouch, wash it with lukewarm water, clean it with a mild soap or a face wash. Once you're done, tap dry it so that there are no dull residues. Use the gua sha on your face after the application on your face, and once you're done, repeat the same process of washing and cleaning before keeping it inside the pouch. If you like to keep the gua sha in the refrigerator, once you are done with the cleaning process and drying process, keep the gua sha in the fridge for 10 minutes before application so that the cooling crystal really helps you reduce the stress on your face. So I've been getting a lot of questions on why is the gua sha turning the face red, or how to not keep the redness. But that redness, if you use the gua sha correctly after an application of a facial oil or a cream, the redness only comes with your increased blood circulation, which is not a regular thing. It only lasts for 5 to 10 minutes max. The redness actually helps your blood circulation to improve, and the redness really leads to a glowing skin afterward. Initially, when I was working on the prototypes for my gua sha packaging, was the shape I was sure that I wanted to get a heart shape. And when I had to talk about the outer packaging for this, I got prototypes. This is not my brand color, but like a cardboard box that is similar to like a watch box is something that I initially got from my vendors. But somehow this did not click me because this is one of the regular boxes and it just wears off big time. And I'm more into sustainability. With every product that I make, I wanted something to last and to give that long lasting and sustainable impression. So I knew I wanted to keep a sustainable packaging. So this packaging is a heart-shaped pouch that is made out of sustainable fabric with a zip on the side and has a Seek logo embossed in faux leather. This pouch helps your gua sha keeps very intact. It takes the minimal space. You can keep the gua sha in a very cute packaging, and even if when you lose the gua sha, which you shouldn't, you'll always keep this pouch with you as a coin pouch or something that would remind you of sustainability and Seek. This pouch is so easy to carry everywhere that even when I travel, I have my daily regime kit from Seek, which has all the skincare essentials that I need. I keep the pouch inside the packet. Yeah, I'm ready to be on a holiday with all the skincare essentials and come back with a glass kit. A lot of people have asked me why the gua shas are not of the same size and thickness. It's only because these gua shas are handmade in Gujarat, and when it comes to a handmade carving of a crystal, it's never possible to have the same size. It's not factory made, which is why I have a very personal touch in the gua sha. If you see, these both are the gua shas that's used for my skincare, but the thickness is not the same. But that would not affect the quality of the gua sha. You can shop the cutest gua sha in India from seekskincare.com, my website, or on Amazon. The links are in bio below. It is available also on different combos with my skincare essentials on my website. You can have the link in the description below.